Good evening. This video is brought to you by WhiteWaveTradingStrategies.com. It is March 31st. It is 10 o'clock Central Daylight Time. Just taking a look at the markets, and I just wanted to put out some of my thoughts for tomorrow's unemployment data. I'm just taking a look around the board tonight. I want to take a look at these. First, the U.S. Treasuries are a little bit lower tonight, but I wanted to show this this day session chart so you can see where the gaps are. There's a big gap above the market at one that starts around 164.30. Half of the gap is 165.21, and 166.08 would fill it. Let's take another picture. On the day session charts, all session charts, we came up when we double topped at 164.24. So all the stops are going to be above a quarter. If they elect the stops tomorrow, then we're going to rally up into this zone. And anywhere close to just over 165 is going to be an exit zone the first time up. And it's all about the bonds early, the bonds and the metals. So we'll just have to see. 162.27 is kind of the lower end of this. And we have to hold down here to not roll over and see a deeper correction. The S&Ps are a little soft tonight, but I want to show you a couple of different looks. The main feature tonight is the Nikkei, which is just completely fallen off a cliff. It opened up, and it's off a few percent right now. It's a huge drop. The other surprising thing to me is that the yen's not a lot higher. You know, it's up 20 ticks, but you would think it'd be up 50 or 100, and it's just not. So let's take a look at this S&P chart that I sent out this morning. This morning I said that what you need was a gap below 48 and a close below 38 or 39 for this to be a top. And I said there was zero chance of that happening today. Now tomorrow's another story. Yesterday we came in late in the afternoon. We came down and tried to fill this gap. We came to 50% of the gap and rejected it and rallied. So did the NASDAQ, but the NASDAQ really hasn't put on a strong performance at all with all the selling in Google, Amazon, Priceline. A lot of people took a lot of money off the table here going into the end of the quarter. So again, the big support level is going to be 20.39 to 40. Resistance isn't going to change. These are static levels. Let me see if I can just squeeze this chart down. 2065, 2075, and 2090. These are numbers that just aren't going to go away. So 2075 is the swing count for this rally, if we can get up there. 2090 is another number set from last year. If it gets up there, it will reject the first time up. And it's all about where we hold on the first break tomorrow, which you'd want to see a break to around 2040, hold and bounce hard. So I don't know which way they're going to take it. You know, I'm a little surprised that the bonds and the S&Ps have been trading the same way for the last couple of days. You know, the S&Ps go up, the bonds go up. You usually get a little back and forth divergence, but you're just not seeing it. And that's all I have for you tonight. So good luck and good trading tomorrow. And just be careful. You know, the metals, it's a big early show for the metals.